Yeah, g'day, Tony from Bones Birds. Today just finished another holding aviary for the bird room. So it's all aluminium, very light to work with. It's so easy, I just carried it in myself. It's nearly 2 meters long, 2 meters high, and about 750 or 800 wide. I've done it all because it's inside the bird room where the mice and rats and that can't get in. I've done it out of hail netting, so it's nice and soft for the birds. They won't, they just won't hurt themselves, you know, like they'll just bounce off it if they get a fright. So it'll be easy. I can use it as quarantine, and once I need to, I can carry it out that big door there and hose it all off, disinfectant, whatever I need to do. So I've made the doors like 1500 high, so easy access when I need to get in. And I've just made the catches, which are out of stainless steel push bike spokes. Got a lot of spring steel to them, a lot of spring in the steel, so it's very easy to manipulate the way you need it. This is the feeding tray. So I've just done that just so that it's easy and I haven't got to get in. I've put water and seed all in there together, and I've just put a fin there just to stop a little bit of the water going through, and I'll see how it goes. If I have to adjust it, I'll do that. And I just finished that like 5 minutes ago, so I can easily take out the old screw bucket and stick that in the dishwasher, same as the dishes. Keep it nice and clean, so it's easy in, easy out. And I just made some catches out of, just used the middle screw that was holding the netting in, and then a piece of angle, and that makes the door, just with the hinges on the bottom. Because it's in here and it's all sheltered, I haven't worried about putting a roof or anything on it. It's just got a back wall on it, so when we come home at night, there is a little bit where they can sort of sleep up there with hopefully not too much interference with the lights coming in the driveway. But the other birds, they get used to it, so it's fine. And then a few features that I've put inside the aviary when I want to actually come in and catch the birds out. I've made this perch at the back there on hinges. So I've made this little thing at the side here, and that just pushes back. It's just a piece of angle, and it just pushes back as well. And then when I want to come in and catch the birds, I just, so the whole thing just goes, hinges straight to the back wall, out of the road, so that gives me all the free space in here now. And then I've done exactly the same at the front, so there's just two perches so they can fly end to end. But with this one, I've just made a hook. It goes up there, and another hook that goes on there, just out of the stainless steel welding wire, that one is. And that just pushes down at the front, so now it gives me a whole sort of 2 meter space to be able to catch the birds out without the interference of the perches. So it should work really well. Really happy with the way it come out, thanks to my dad and my mate Scotty, and then my mate Glenn was over today giving me a hand as well. So because it was so light, it was very hard to push against to drill, because the cage just want to keep pushing away. So yeah, it just gives me a few more options with the existing holding aviaries, as you can see there. When I get new birds in, I don't want to sort of put them in there together, so this will be sort of like the quarantines. I did build a quarantine aviary, which a lot of you have probably seen the videos, but I decided to turn that into breeding aviaries because you can never have enough. And they've got blue caps in them at the moment, so. And I also have the cabinets over there where the birds are that will be coming in here tomorrow. It's too late in the afternoon now, so I'll let them in here first thing tomorrow. And that way, when they stay in here for their quarantine period, I can worm them and coccidiosis treat them and whatever else I need to do. See how things go before they actually go into the flock. So yeah. So it's a nice little addition to the bird room. Putting chicks on sticks. Thanks for looking.